Crime Stoppers could use your help identifying two men suspected of burglarizing a construction site a couple of weeks ago. Police say it happened May 8th at 2633 Plaza Parkway at around 1:15 that afternoon. Workers confronted and chased off the suspects, but not before they managed to steal a DeWalt grinder. One suspect had on a white hat, was shirtless, and wore red and black athletic shorts with gray tennis shoes. The other was wearing a gray tank top with black joggers and black tennis shoes. If you have any information about the suspects, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers at the number on your screen. You never have to give your name, and your information could earn you a cash reward.